You're being scammed at gas stations right now, and most people have no clue. A mechanic friend once pulled me aside and showed me 8 tricks these places use to drain your wallet every single visit. I've been tracking this for years, and the numbers are staggering. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars lost every year. But here's the twist nobody talks about. The biggest scams aren't at the pump. They're happening while you're standing inside. And the last two will genuinely shock you because you've probably fallen for them this week. Number 1, the premium fuel con. How many of us roll up to the pump and think, I'll treat my car right today, and reach for that premium button? I used to do this all the time. Here's what nobody tells you. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're literally pouring money down the drain. I'm talking about 40 to 60 cents per gallon for absolutely zero benefit. Your engine does not magically perform better. In fact, using premium in a regular car can actually cause carbon buildup because the fuel does not burn the way it's designed to. The octane rating in premium fuel is meant for high compression engines that need it to prevent knocking. If your engine doesn't have that compression ratio, the extra octane does nothing. I learned this the hard way after spending an extra $1,000 over 2 years on premium fuel my Toyota Camry never needed. Check your owner's manual. If it says regular recommended, that's all you need. Save that extra money for something that actually matters. Number 2, the mysterious cleaning additives. Right there by the pump, you'll see colorful bottles promising to clean your fuel system, boost octane, or improve performance. I fell for this scam for years, buying a bottle every month like clockwork. Here's the reality. Modern gasoline already contains detergents required by law to keep your fuel system clean. The Environmental Protection Agency, also called the EPA, mandates minimum detergent levels in all gasoline sold in the United States. Those $12 bottles? You're paying for marketing and fancy packaging. A mechanic told me straight up, the only time you need fuel system cleaner is when you have a specific problem. And even then, we use professional-grade products that actually work. These convenience store additives are so diluted, they might as well be expensive water. If your car genuinely needs fuel system cleaning, take it to a shop. Otherwise, you're funding the gas station's profit margins, not your car's health. Number 3, the air pump robbery. This one makes my blood boil. You pull up to inflate your tires, and there's a machine asking for $1.50 or $2 just to use air. Here's what gas stations don't advertise. In many states, they're legally required to provide free air if you purchase fuel. California, Connecticut, and several other states have these laws on the books right now. But they don't put up signs explaining this. Because why would they? I've watched people pump $20 of gas, then immediately pay $2 more for air they already earned. Walk inside. Tell them you bought gas. They have to turn on the compressor at no charge. I've saved around $50 per year just by knowing this one fact. Don't let them charge you for what you already paid for. And here's a bonus. Properly inflated tires can improve fuel economy by up to 3%. Number 4, the skimmer nightmare. While most people worry about obvious scams, this one steals your identity in silence. Card skimmers are tiny devices, criminals attached to gas pumps to steal credit card information. I watched a news report where investigators found skimmers on 12 pumps at a single station. Customers had no idea for weeks. The worst part? The gas station often doesn't know either until it's too late. Here's my rule. I use pumps closest to the building where cameras can see them. I gently wiggle the card reader before inserting my card. And whenever possible, I pay inside or use contactless payment on my phone. One security expert told me that roughly 60% of skimmers are installed on pumps far from the building. Also, check for security seals on the pump panel. If a seal is broken or missing, do not use that pump. Your bank account will thank you for those extra 10 seconds of caution. Number 5, the discounted gift card trap. You see gas station gift cards on sale, 10% off. I bought $200 worth once, feeling like a genius. Then I realized the problem. These cards lock you into one brand. Expiration dates are buried in fine print. When prices spike, you're stuck. When a competitor offers a better deal, you can't take advantage. I burned through those cards during a price surge and lost more than I saved. Gas prices fluctuate constantly based on oil costs, local competition, and even the day of the week. Flexibility is worth more than a small upfront discount. Pay as you go. Shop around. Never commit your money months in advance. Number 6. The car wash upsell conspiracy. Add a car wash for just $3, the screen cheerfully suggests. Here's the truth. Those cheap car washes are designed to scratch your paint and create swirl marks. The brushes are rarely cleaned, filled with dirt and debris from hundreds of cars before yours. Harsh chemicals strip your protective wax. I stopped using gas station car washes 2 years ago. My paint still looks showroom fresh. Wash at home with proper materials or use touchless washes if you must use automation. That $3 convenience can cost you hundreds later. Detailers say around 80% of swirl marks they fix come from automated brush washes. Number 7. The lottery ticket illusion. Watch people dump money into lottery tickets like it's an investment. Here's the math. Your odds of winning Powerball are about 1 in 300 million. You're more likely to be struck by lightning twice. I've seen people spend $20, $30, even $50 per visit. That's $200 to $600 per month gone. A financial advisor once said, "The lottery is a tax on people who can't do math. The expected return is about negative 50 cents for every dollar spent." Gas stations earn massive commissions on every ticket sold. That's why they push them so hard. They're profiting from hope, and that hope is mathematically unfounded. Number 8. The convenience store markup. This is the big one. Gas stations know you're in a hurry. They exploit that. That bottle of water? 3 times the grocery price. That energy drink? Marked up about 40%. I tracked my spending for 1 month and found I spent $75 on items worth $25 elsewhere. That's $600 per year, gone. Plan ahead. Keep water and snacks in your car. Stop treating gas stations like your pantry. Every time you walk in unprepared, you're volunteering to overpay. Make a grocery run once a week, stock your car with essentials, and watch how much money stays in your account. The markup on convenience items exists for one reason only. They know you're desperate, tired, or in a rush. Don't give them that advantage.